Welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
I'm fixing printer again. One is good, this one is not good, still working, and that one still bad, that one still not good, this one's okay now, and this one we having problem more than almost 1 year now. So now USB port more than 1 year now. Technician imaje come here, they don't fix it. So I open everything here, all the connection, all the part I move out, and all this power supply. This is board for the USB. The USB I found here, so I need to soldering here. I try to solder for here. Looks still okay if I solder. I fix or not fix, at least still doesn't work. So we need to change all this unit board. All this unit board need to change, but I don't know when. Long time, more than 1 year. How many times printer technician came here, never fixed. They don't touch it. I open here behind. All the part I open here behind the printer. Okay, so that's the problem. What's this printer? 9232. Okay, important USB. I will try how to solve, and I will let you know if fixed or not fixed. The one here, at least I found this one here broken on the floor. The one for here, I hope still okay. Okay, all right guys, we have the old printer here, 9450. We have 4 here, still good, but okay. Now guys, I'm preparing now temperature, all my soldering gun here. Time to soldering. I have now more heat up. Soldering lead. I have some plugs here, so I gonna try to solder, but I soldering. How can I solder now? I cannot show you because I don't have a stand. I'm here at work. All right, I show you after. For now, not done yet. I just solder there. Okay, because I cannot hold, I use this bar to hold this one so it won't move. I put in good position. I need to soldering this one here, the base, and these 4 legs here. Right? Okay, I'm using this thicker one because the small one only for the 4 leg there, 4 tips. So I will hold this one. When this one is good, you don't need to buy USB board. But this, when you order this one here, is the part number. This is the part number here. It's the part number here, G1114. So the part number here, and 9232. When you order 9232 printer model, and this is the board serial number, so that you can order the part. You order the part, all of these with USB. Right? That's the way you order. But if this fixed, then save a lot of money for this 1,000 money. Okay, now read it. I need to solder here the base so that won't move. So that won't move the housing. Then I put that one. Okay. I soldered already these 4 legs. make sure not shorted together. Okay, the base already I soldered both sides. Just to hold the USB port won't move. You need to solder like this one, like a ground. Right? I take the meter, make sure it's not grounded together here. Okay, look done now. Already soldered everything. I check resistance, nothing grounded. So ready to fix. I will assemble and retry. Right? Okay, guys. Okay, board is mounting already. Need to put all these connectors and more bolts. And then that's power supply need to mount here, there. Then to connect all the connections. This is the USB board, right? It's already soldered. It's fixed already. And this one, all connection here need to put back. Okay, all the connections connect here. I put the board already. All this tight. That's ribbon. Power supply. All for the board, all board is connected. Now that power board need to put here now. Okay, this power board now here. I will install here and then tight the bolt. This power supply here. Yes, from the power board for the cooling fan, and that one here is from supply DC board from power control to connect here. Yeah, supply from the board. This is 110 volts to DC volts transformer. I need to connect here. Make sure don't bend because the pin is too tiny. Slowly, don't make too much pressure, and you hear the click like that. That's okay. Alright, now tight with Allen key. That's it. Alright, okay dokie doke. Yeah, double check the connection. This is a supply 110 volts connection. Double check the connection. This is a cooling fan motor to cool the power control. That's a power control, and connect to the output DC board to main board. Alright, yeah, check the connection, make sure it's tight. Okay, now need to put back all this connection here under plug in. Make sure slowly, don't bend the pin. Don't make pressure, slowly. Okay, you hear the click. Okay, next one is this one, water supply for pump, cooling pump. Ribbon supply all for the motor and the pump. Solenoid pump. Okay. Then make sure lock. Okay. Okay. There we go. Right. Good. Right. This wire supply for bypass draining ink or flashing. We need that. This mold filter. This is this main filter, and this is mold filter. This is ink tank reservoir, and this is ink level sensor. Sometimes doesn't detect the level, you can replace that. This is for the, this one is pressure pump. And behind that one is cooling fan. Fan cooling. Now it's okay. I need to put back. Goes in now slowly. This one is, this hose is for drain. You're gonna drain bypass with high level oil. Okay. Now for the bolt, job is done. USB is fixed now. USB already fixed. The board. This one put the solvent and ink. Okay, ink and solvent. Methyl acetone. Press this way, so make sure this USB now is fixed. Good. It's okay now. And there we go. Job is done. Close. Need to try now. Need to put cover here at the back. It's this power board for the connection, double check. And here. Then the cover here. Put the cover and test. I hope will be okay. Okay, until here for now. See you next video. Bye.